I wanted to quickly show you a couple options in the gallery. So I'm on your paintings page. You had mentioned that the horse, it's cutting off the picture, and you don't necessarily want it to do that. So to do that, you want to go into settings and then come into layout and then go to customize layout. Now you'll see that it's cropping or fitting the images to size. If you want to fit them, you can click on fit and then you'll see it shows the whole image here versus cropping it. I do often use the crop tool because it just makes everything look more consistent if those pictures are sized appropriately. I noticed that this winter scene, it must have some white above and below, so it doesn't look as consistent as the others, but the horse is getting cut off more. So if I use this fit option, it's going to show that whole image here rather than just a square cropped version. But this image, this winter scene, let's look at that. It looks like it has a black bar on the side and has some image white on the top and bottom. So that's probably what's causing that black, well, that definitely is what's causing that black bar. So again, to get into that, you want to go to settings, go to layout, customize layout, and then you can choose crop or fit. I'm going to go ahead and leave it as fit for now, just so that it shows your full image. Again, I do like to crop it, but then sometimes that cuts things off where you don't want them. So I'm going to leave it as this, but if you want to change it, just go back to settings, to layout, customize layout, and then you can choose this crop, and that'll fix that issue. Another thing that you can look at too is, let's see, where do we have it here? I want to go to the expand mode. Here we go, expand mode. You can also customize this expand mode. I like, as an artist, I just think this looks better to put them on the bottom, and then you can also center them. You can change the fonts and stuff. This is what shows up in the live site. So let's look at preview here, and I'm going to click on this horse. Now your title is below. I just think this looks better than having it over here on the right hand side. I wish this was the default, but in Wix the default is over here. So I've changed that as well. I'm going to hit publish, and this is, I think this will look a little bit better for your needs, but make sure to edit this picture. And just to quickly show you, it's really easy to edit this in Wix. So let's go to Manage Media. We're going to come down here, and I'm going to click on this little edit image icon. This will allow me to crop it down to where I want it. And let's choose the resize image so I can crop it the way I want. Well, let's see, how do I get this? It looks like it's stuck where it doesn't want to crop. Let me hit cancel, revert to original. How do I get this crop to be more? Usually you can edit it here, but it seems to be somehow standard. Oh, so weird. Usually I can adjust this the way I want. For some reason it's kind of set at this cropped size, and I'm not sure why. So I'm going to hit cancel, leave. So if you can, what I would do is download this image, or you already probably have the image, and then crop it there. Usually I can crop it here, but for some reason I feel like this crop tool is not letting me change the proportions of it. So I don't want to crop edge off of your painting. So I'm going to just hit cancel. But that's odd to me because usually Wix does let you change the proportions of it when you crop. So what you could do is come here to add media, find that image that's in your gallery already, and then you can crop it from there. That will allow you to crop things kind of more where you can adjust the proportions of it. But for some reason when you're in the editor, it's not letting me do that. So just come in here and do it this way. This is your main media library. I'm going to close out of this as well. This is just the editor that's in this gallery. So for some reason that's not working properly with that crop, but if you go to your main media library, that should fix that. So I'm going to hit cancel, and then we're going to hit done and publish. So that'll save it live to your site. Let me know if you have any questions. Again, I do like using the cropped version because it does make the whole page look a little bit more consistent, especially if you don't have any white borders. But if you do have white borders and so forth and you want it to fit with different proportions, this is a good option for that to happen. Let me know if you have any other questions.